said you would come home. My birthday was coming. I wanted to ask you,
Daddy, will you buy me a bicycle?
but Daddy never came home. Daddy traveled far for work, but always came home before. I watched him leave and waited for his footsteps at the door. Then Daddy became sick and went into the hospital. 2 months passed so slowly, but I thought you'd come home after all. I didn't understand the grown-up words, I didn't understand the tears. I only knew my daddy was away, and I would see you again. My birthday was getting closer, and I had one little dream, a bicycle from my daddy. That was all I wanted.
Daddy always came back,
Didn't he?
so I kept waiting
For the sound of the door. Daddy, I was waiting for you. I thought you'd come home again. My birthday was coming, Daddy. I had something to ask you then. I wanted a little bicycle, something red or maybe blue. I kept thinking about that bicycle, because I thought I'd ask you, but you didn't come home, Daddy. You never came home. They took me to see you. You were lying in the coffin, so still. I looked at your face, but you didn't move. You didn't open your eyes, you didn't call my name. Everybody around me was crying,
but I didn't understand.
I didn't cry, I didn't smile, I just stood there frozen. I was only 4 years old. How do I say goodbye when I don't understand goodbye?
I kept thinking about my birthday, I kept thinking about my bicycle.
Maybe Daddy would wake up and say,
Happy birthday, my son.
but Daddy didn't wake up. I looked at Daddy,
Daddy didn't look back.
I waited.
Maybe he would wake up,
Maybe he would hold my hand.
maybe he would say,
Come here, my boy, but he didn't.
Daddy, I was waiting for you.
Why didn't you come home? My birthday's coming, Daddy, and now I'm waiting alone. I still wanted that bicycle, I still wanted to ride with you. I didn't know the last time I'd see you would be beside a coffin too.
Daddy, I didn't get to say goodbye.
I didn't know you were leaving. You left before my birthday.
And I was still waiting for you. Papa, me been waiting you come back. Meeting you by come long house again. Me no sabe ulsem you by no come back. Me no sabe ulsem this spell I'm last spell a time. Birthday belong me come, Papa. Me got one pella something me like asking you. Me like him one pella lick bicycle. Now me like by you helping me long run long and
Me been ting by you
so long you
Me no cry, me no laugh.
There'll be long me no sad yet.
Wholesome papa, he know he not come back.
He was only 4, too young to understand it, too young to understand why Daddy
Wouldn't come home. He only knew one thing.
Daddy was supposed to come back.
Tamana yaw turana yaw. Yaw ganur nur yaw tahu. Ugala ng hospital. Mauga tatalik ramayan. Yaw ganinimiu.
Yoga nungguliu,
Tamana
yoga nunur yau tau uklaula.
Daddy, I was waiting for you
I was waiting for you
to come home.
Daddy, I will remember you.
Even though I'm still so young,
One day I'll understand your story.
and all the love you've given us,
They'll tell me how you worked for us,
how you traveled far from home, how you gave your life for your family until your journey was done. I wish you could have stayed.
until my birthday came.
I wish you could have seen my bicycle.
I wish I could have called